cool trains in Montreal, and I might actually have a meet here. As you can see, there's a train down there, and then there's this one heading eastbound. Just got off my bus here at Dorval at about 3:10 p.m. on the 11th of February 2023. Empty boxcar with the door open. Yeah, I was just going down there to the bridge to see if I can get that train over there, and this started coming. There's another rail fan down there. Maybe Frank, I don't know. There's a guy here that takes a lot of pictures I was talking to, and might be the same guy that I was talking to when the new Via train came through like a week ago or 2 weeks ago maybe. Anyway, it might happen. It looks like it might happen. Might get that meat. Yeah, it's slow in coming, but that train is gonna meet my train here. East and westbound, here at Dorval. This is so lucky, it's unbelievable. I mean, I just got here. Literally just got here. Actually, it's gonna be the perfect meet. As soon as that train ends, this train comes. That's awesome. And it's a double stack. And try and find the ideal spot. This one might be actually 327, the one that heads down to Syracuse. Used to have CSX locomotives. It's possible. This got to be the luckiest meet I've ever had. Just coming into Dorval on the bus. No waiting whatsoever. Didn't even get a chance to talk to the fellow rail fan over there. undersea rail. Wow, that's old. That's amazing. With all this snow, I'm kind of limited to where I can go. Okay, there's the end. And there it is. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.